welcome back to another video of Time for Science. We are going to be making a volcano. And the set is right here. Okay, this set is called Experimake. Let's see what's inside. And it's volcano now. Right, we're going to be using gloves. Obviously, you need those. And the very important thing, volcano. Yeah, these chemicals. Goggles. I forgot what this is called. And that. One of those things that you put potions in. Balloons. And instructions and whatever these are. Okay, that's what we're going to be using. Okay, so the important thing is you have to make sure you've got your goggles and your gloves. And, well, you got to put the volcano on the plate so any lava doesn't gets caught and doesn't go everywhere. You know what I mean? So the first one, we will need citric acid on this one. Half a teaspoon on that one. Half a teaspoon on this one. Sodium hydrogen carbonate. Okay. So we will need to put them in. Put them in. Don't drop any. Make sure you don't drop any, guys. Mix it. Okay, so next we will need 15 milliliters of water and some red food coloring. We need 4 drops. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We'll need to mix it, guys. It's turning the lolly stick red. What? Okay. Okay, here's the exciting bit, guys. We're going to mix them together. Okay. And it's going to make a chemical reaction. Let's do it slowly. Wow, guys! I did not expect that. Oh, whoa. Guys, you might want to try this at home. Okay. I'm going to tell you how or what we did to make this. So, you have simulated what happens during a volcanic eruption with a chemical reaction. This chemical reaction is an acid-base reaction where sodium hydrogen carbonate, a base, reacts with the citric acid to release carbonate dioxide, CO2. So, and that actually looks like lava. Guys, have a good look. It smells weird. Okay, bye. See you in the next